Whoa, doesn't bother me if you put in the 7mm plate or not. It's not my car. I'm just letting you know what people do and what works. And this is another vehicle that's had a 7mm plate in there for a very long time, and you can see what's going on. There's no build up. You get that light sprinkle from the EGR valve back because you've still got the oil there and you've still got a very small amount of flow. So your EGR system's still working the way it's designed to be, except not that much that you're getting that big thick build up. So it's the best of both worlds in my opinion. It's a really good balance. Certainly enough inert gases coming through to reduce nitrogen oxides, but you're not getting that massive thick build up. You're just going to get that light sprinkling from there where it comes through. Bada bing. This is on a 1KD FTV diesel Prado, so don't expect the same results on a different make or model and a different engine. You need to work out what the solution is going to be, but I wouldn't bother wasting your time with a catch can. Catch you later.